The next on the list is 2 plus 3 times 4 is not equal to 20. You can say 2 plus 3 multiplied by 4 to be equal to 20. This is wrong. In BODMAS, multiplication comes first. So you will multiply 3 and 4 first, then you add 2. So the correct answer here is going to give us 14. So 2 plus 3 times 4 will be equal to 14. Plus 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. So the next on the list is 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3, which is not equal to 2 over 5. Most people do this. 1 plus 1 equal to 2, and 2 plus 3 equal to 5. This is absolutely wrong. This is not correct. So the right thing to do is to find the lowest common multiple. And here the lowest common multiple here is 6. So we're going to use this. We're going to say 2 times 3, which is 6. So 6 will divide 2 to give us 3, and 3 times 1 is 3. So you have 3 plus 6 will divide 3 to give us 2, and 2 times 1 is 2. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 all over 6. So this is the correct answer. So the next on the list is 3x cubed minus x all over x is not equal to 3x cubed minus 1. Most people do this. You cannot divide this and this only. It's not how it's been done. So this x here, you're dividing this and this. This one is dividing this and this. That's how to solve this. So the correct answer is going to be 3x cubed all over x minus x all over x, which is ultimately going to give 3x squared minus 1, because this x will cancel this x here to give you x squared, and this x will cancel this x to give 1. Guys, the next on the list is a squared plus b squared is not equal to a plus b all squared. You can't do this. This is wrong. Now, if you are to expand this, you're not going to have this. You're going to have something like this. You're going to have a plus b all squared is equal to a plus b times a plus b. So opening the bracket, you're going to have a times a. You're going to have a squared plus ab plus this times this. You're going to have plus ab, then plus this times this. You're going to have plus b squared. So simplifying further, you're going to have a squared plus ab plus ab. You're going to have 2ab plus b squared. So you can see that this is not equal to this, because if you expand this bracket here, you're going to have this. So this one is not equal to this. So guys, the next on the list is a squared minus b squared is not equal to a minus b all squared. Now this is wrong. Now I'm going to show you that a minus b all squared is not going to give us this. So by expanding this, we're going to have a minus b all squared is equal to a minus b times a minus b, which is equal to a squared plus a times this a squared, and a times this is minus ab, then minus b times a is minus ab, and minus b times minus b is plus b squared. Simplifying further, we're going to have a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So you can see that this is not equal to this. Please take note. But rather, a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So when you expand this bracket, it's going to give you back a squared minus b. So guys, minus 3 squared is not equal to open bracket minus 3 close bracket all squared. These are not the same. They're not the same at all. Now this negative 3 you're seeing here, raised power of 2, means negative into bracket 3 times 3. Close the bracket is going to give you negative 9. But this right here means negative 3 all squared is equal to negative 3 times negative 3, which is going to give us positive 9, which is also 9. So this is just take note of the differences. So guys, the next on the list is 0 divided by 5 is not equal to 5 divided by 0. Now these are different entities, they're not the same. Now 0 all over 5, 0 all over 5 is equal to 0. So 5 divided by 0 is undefined. So anything that divides 0 is undefined. Please take note.